The standard sizes for ESD flooring commonly include 300 mm by 300 mm, 600 mm by 600 mm, and 900 mm by 900 mm. Among these, the most popular size is the 24 inches by 24 inches, 600 mm by 600 mm tile, which is widely utilized for static control flooring applications. The advantages of using the 24 inches by 24 inches, 600 mm by 600 mm ESD vinyl flooring tiles over the smaller 12 inches x 12, 300 mm by 300 mm tiles are as follows. Efficient installation. It's easier to handle and install in various room layouts. Fewer tiles are needed to cover a large area compared to smaller sizes, reducing installation time and labor. Stable anti-static performance. Due to the relatively standard size, manufacturers can better ensure the uniform distribution of anti-static materials on the flooring, thus ensuring stable and reliable anti-static performance. Reduced waste. With a larger size, there is typically less cutting and trimming needed during installation, leading to reduced material waste. Maintenance ease. Larger tiles are easier to replace individually if damaged, and the reduced number of seams lowers the chance of dirt and debris accumulating in joints. Compared with 900 mm by 900 mm anti-static flooring, 600 mm by 600 mm anti-static flooring is more convenient to carry and load during transportation, thus reducing transportation costs. In conclusion, the 24 inches by 24 inches, 600 mm by 600 mm ESD flooring offers a balance between ease of handling and coverage area, making it suitable for various applications. Thanks for watching.